to our distinguished, stellar, scintillating panelist of ASAP Natin To California on the occasion of TFC's 30th anniversary. Big round of applause, guys. Okay. Woo! Yes.
Tell us for when
Okay. Okay, so just 1 minute of photo op, please, our distinguished panelists. Just 1 minute of photo op. Okay. Standing. Yes, standing, please. Yes. Okay. Smile, guys. By the way, we are being live streamed. We already mentioned to you the accounts where we are being live streamed. Okay.
There's the guy.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. And then our panelists can now take their seats. Thank you so much. Okay, distinguished panelists, let's pump up the crowd. Let's start with June Del Rosario, and then I'm going to call on you guys. Each one will have a greeting for our audience here in Ontario, California. Let's start with our ABS-CBN Global COO, June Del Rosario.
Good morning, everyone. Maraming salamat po for celebrating TFC's 30th anniversary with us. I'd just like to announce the good news that as of last night, ASAP 2024 is officially sold out.
Yes!
Yay! Woo! Okay. Thank you very much, June. And then we leapfrog to our ABS-CBN Global Head of Events, Joseph Arnie Garcia.
Hi, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming. So again, no, as June mentioned, we're very glad no, that you're celebrating our 30th with us. And of course, no, sa mga artists natin, no, these guys are very busy, but they took time to be with you. And that's what we envision really, no, to get our artists closer to you guys. So there's no better way of celebrating the anniversary than having us up here with us. So maraming salamat. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Tatalon po tayo kay Maymay.
Hello po. Hello po. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat po. Ako po si Maymay Entrata at sobrang masaya po ako na nakabalik po ako dito po sa California. Sa wakas po hindi na lang po siya mga 2 days. Abot ako ng 5 days, guys. And more. Wow! Bitaw, ma'am. Maraming salamat po sa press family po for supporting po our show. ASAP Natin To California. Sobrang excited na po kami para po sa mga world-class na performances. Kasama po ang aking isa sa mga pinaka-inidolo po na nandito po ngayon. Kaya sana po abangan niyo po. Yee! Thank you po.
Thank you, Maymay. Okay, there's just a request for people to sit down because I think the cameras at the back cannot capture the... Okay. Okay, thank you. So, we're gonna sprint back here to Robbie.
Good morning po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya po natin. Thank you so much for taking the time here. Lahat po ng nasabi na po ni Maymay. Salamat. Wala na po kaming pwedeng masabi. But thank you, and we're so excited dahil nalaman po namin na sold out show. And it's gonna be a grand kapamilya homecoming para sa ating lahat. So, we'll see you on Saturday.
Thank you. And then we're gonna make a dash to Eric.
Good morning everyone. We are so happy to see all of you and maraming salamat. Ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat po kaming lahat sa inyong usual support. Damang-dama po namin ang inyong pagmamahal. Salamat po.
Thank you, Eric. And then we're gonna ping-pong, going to Kim.
Ping-pong.
Hello! What's up, everybody? Hey. Yun. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Nahiya na tuloy ako. Wala nag-react kasi.
Naku, Dani Miga. Naku, Dani Miga.
Pwede ka ba ulitin?
Go, Miga! Go, Miga!
Diba? Hello, everybody! you 100 times more on Saturday. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Tsaka, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito. And then, maraming salamat po ngayon pa lang sa lahat ng mga bumili ng ticket and manonood ngayong Sabado. Thank you very, very much from the entire ASAP family. Thank you.
Just a shout out for Kim. She won an international award for Best Actress.
Speech!
What's up, everybody? Parang wala ulit.
Okay. So, leapfrog again to Ogie Alcacid.
May award din po ako. Nanalo rin po ako award. Pero matagal na, 1990 pa. Ay, thank you very much. Mayong buntag kaniyong tanan. Good morning. Tama ba yung Bisaya ko?
Yes po.
Magandang umaga po. We are so thrilled to be here with you, especially that now that we found out that the concert is officially sold out kasi kanina unofficial pay. So today is it's officially sold out. Nagbebenta rin po ako ng tickets. So may mga
Galing mo naman.
yeah, I'll be there at the front before the show. I'll be scalping joke. No, happy 30th anniversary to TFC. Yes! 30 years. An institution, an icon, I should say, di ba? And so we're here to celebrate. And we feel blessed that you're here with us this morning. And I hope you enjoy the show. We're going to come up with a really, really great show. And we're excited to perform. Yay!
Yes.
Congrats.
Okay. Thank you, Ogie. And now an Olympic dash to Piolo Pascual.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. And thank you for celebrating 30 years of TFC with us. And on Saturday, of course, as always, the ASAP performers are here to give you a beautiful show. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Piolo. And then we go now to Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Yeah, support from the hobby.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. We are all very excited to do the show on Saturday, so we'll see you guys there.
Thank you. I really feel we're at the happy hour right now. Okay, so we go now to Miss Jaja. Okay.
Hi, everybody. Good morning. O, galing kami ni Ogie sa happy hour sa Toronto. Ayan, ang saya-saya doon. Shout out din sa lahat ng nanonood at nakikinig sa atin. Hi, everybody. Ayan, sa ating live streaming. Thank you all very much for supporting TFC's 30th anniversary. And I see some familiar faces, Tita Baby. Hi. From Vancouver. Hindi kita nakita. Toronto. Wala ka doon. Ay, sorry. Yun naman pala. Stanley, hello. And thank you everybody for your support. And we're all pumped kasi nga naman sold out ang ating concert. So lalo itong sasaya. So thank you so much to everybody who got tickets. And we're really pumped to give you the very best show on the 3rd. See you there. Okay.
Thank you so much. And let's pump up with more energy. Mr. Gary.
Hello, everyone, and to everyone watching online right now. It is such a thrill to come here and have concerts. But when you're able to perform with a family like this, it takes you to a different level. And then we are excited to bring a piece of home to the hearts of everyone that's going to be watching. I'm looking forward to seeing families that are going to be there. We promise to make you dance, to sing. We may make you cry a bit, but that's what home is all about. So thank you so much for being here, and God bless everyone. Let's all have a great time on August 3 at the Toyota Arena. We'll have a great time then. Thank you.
Thank you. And he's been there from the beginning, Mr. Martin.
Oh, I'm sorry that's all the time we have. Thank you all so much for giving us another reason to come to California, to bring ASAP here to celebrate 30 years. We've been trying to do it for the last 30 years to bring home, or bring all you back home, to get all of you homesick for your homeland, where you bravely stepped away from to make a new home here in Los Angeles, in California. So for us to be here to celebrate 30 years is a milestone for everybody. So to TFC for keeping all of us, making all of us international superstars by being on TFC. We have gone so far and keeping ABS-CBN alive in the hearts and in the homes of all those who have been supporting us for the last 30 years. 30 years and counting. We are TFC. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And as you all know, Ontario is under